ST225 or an RS Mark II. This car's already got its airbox out of it because we're doing some other work. So skip that step. It's pretty easy to pull your airbox out. You should be able to work that out. Okay, you want to put this 18mm bolt in finger tight. As you saw me move that engine then, we're supporting the gearbox from underneath and it tries to push the driveline that way. So you actually want to jack it up above the studs so you can get this bolt in. Now it's a steel bolt, alley bracket. Don't just try and send it, you want to do it by hand first. Now it's important that you do it by hand to start the bolt so that you don't cross thread it and strip it, because that's quite easy to do. So we'll just get it nearly in there. To get it sits firm but it's not actually tight. And then you're going to want to lower the jack, but as you can see the mount is hard up against these studs here, so we want to lower the jack whilst pulling the driveline forward so that we don't catch these threads. Like that. So you're still supporting it, still got a little bit of weight, but you want to make sure that that's all central. Now you can put your bracket back on. We're just going to spin these nuts on. Do them up diagonally. Just knit them for now. And now we're going to torque these 4 nuts and then torque that bolt. So you want to torque these up diagonally. That one, that one, that one, that one. And now we can put our battery box back in. Chuck our battery back in. fit your airbox back in, job done.